Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to turn off real-time protection for Windows 10. By default, when you install Windows 10, Microsoft Defender, or you can say Windows Defender, starts protecting your PC from viruses and threats online as well offline. In case you want to perform a certain task such as installing any application and Defender prevents you from doing such activity, you can temporarily turn off real-time protection on Windows 10. For this, click on this one start button, then click on this one settings icon. In settings window, click on this one update and security. In the left sidebar, click on this one Windows security. Then click on this one open Windows security button. In Windows security window, click on this one virus and threat protection. On the right sidebar, find virus and threat protection settings and click on this one link manage settings. Here under real time protection, turn off this one toggle switch. In case Windows prompts, click yes. This will turn off real time protection and leave your device vulnerable. Once your task is completed, I will recommend you turn on this one toggle switch to start protecting your computer again from offline as well as online threats. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.